Hello friends, today let's see a special type of helping verb or auxiliary verb that is known as modal verbs. So let's begin. Let's take an example. Can I go there? Here can is the auxiliary or helping verb and go is the main verb. You must do this. Here must is the helping verb and do is the main verb. Should I open the box? Here should is the helping verb or auxiliary verb and open is the main verb. You may go now. Here may is the auxiliary verb and go is the main verb. So we have looked at all those auxiliary verbs. They are modals or a special type of auxiliary or helping verb. Why do we use modals? We use it to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Let's take few examples to understand these situations better. You might be called in later. Here might is a modal. Remember, modal verbs include must, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, and might. Now let's look at the use of can and could. I can help you with that next week. So can expresses the ability here. Rita can't speak Tamil. Here can't shows the lack of ability. It shows that she can't speak Tamil. I could not go there. Here again could not shows the lack of ability. Now let's look at the second use of can and could. You can watch the movie at 2 p.m. Here can expresses possibility. Yes, it's possible that you can watch a movie at 2 p.m. He can't see you right now. He's in surgery. Here can't expresses impossibility. It's not possible for him to see you right now. I could meet him if I leave an hour before. Here could expresses possibility. It's possible for me to meet him if I leave an hour before. Now let's look at a third use. Can you lend me 100 rupee? Here you're asking for his permission to lend him 100 rupee. You can borrow my pen. Here she's giving you permission to borrow her pen. So it expresses giving permission. Could I have your number? Could. Here she's asking for permission to have your number. Could I talk to your boss, please? You're asking for permission to meet his boss. So to summarize what we have learned in this session, we learned what are modals. Modal is a type of auxiliary or helping verb used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. We also learnt must, shall, will, should, would, can, could, may, and might are modal verbs. Thank you so much for watching.